Hey guys, Guruji here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about artificial intelligence. Now, not the whole artificial intelligence as a part of science or computer science. I'm going to be talking about artificial intelligence with reference to mobile phones, right? Your smartphones. So, Exynos, Snapdragon, and MediaTek, whenever they release processors nowadays, they talk about AI, their AI processing capability of their processors. But where is AI used in mobile phones? What does it do? Now, when you look at the basic definition of artificial intelligence, which is AI, it refers to a machine mimicking the intelligence of a human being. Now, listening to this definition, you might feel that we are reaching the age of iRobot, where the machines can decide for themselves and control humans. We are far, far away from that because let's be honest here, okay? We have yet not explored the total limits of the human brain. How can a machine mimic it? But we are somewhere there. We are understanding some parts of our intelligence which we are also putting in the machine. Now, when it comes to smartphones, have you ever seen this new feature that is coming in a lot of phones? Where you point the camera at an object. Let's say I am pointing my mobile phone's camera at the DSLR. What will happen is you'll get a small pop up which says DSLR. Obviously, this feature is not there, but if you point it at cats or dogs, your phone will recognize that you're taking a picture of the animal, whichever animal it is, it will show you. And this is very interesting because whenever you're taking photographs of certain things, let's say you're taking photograph of a cat, there's certain angles which are good, there's certain lighting which is good, certain post processing which needs to be done, and the phone does it automatically for you because it has recognized that you're taking photo of a cat. Similarly, the higher we go in this scale, the technologies become newer and newer. Now, what started happening is, let's say I access WhatsApp 10 times in a day and mostly in the afternoon. So, during the time of afternoon, WhatsApp will be already loaded in the memory. Now, it is not working as efficiently as it should, but yes, it is taking some leaps forward. Now, the most prominent example or the easiest example for you to recognize is you're getting text messages, you're getting notification. Now, notifications are being categorized, right? Right now, they're being done with a flag. But the future of this categorization is AI is already in your phone. What it does is it checks out what message you have. It decides whether your time should be wasted or not. Let's say you have put your phone in a work mode. Now, this is all imaginary, but this can happen with the existing technology, right? You get an SMS, right? The SMS talks about a transaction, right? Now, is it a real or a fake SMS? Your AI will detect it. If it's real and you should be interrupted while you're working, your AI will send that notification ahead, or it will not send those notifications ahead but save it. Now, recognition of things is something that AI has started doing. It has started doing pattern analysis. So, which is one of the first things that the AI does is pattern analysis. So, when you say that your phone has already queued the app you are going to use in your phone before you actually get to it, that means the AI has already recognized your patterns of usage. That also means usage tracking is taking place. Now, if you've ever wondered, right? You search in Google Ferrari, right? And you will see some advertise with a Ferrari in it. It might not be for a Ferrari because they don't advertise, but yeah, you will see a ad that has a Ferrari in it. How is it possible? How is it happening? Well, your search history, your usage is being tracked by an AI bot. That AI bot now recognizes all that search history and gives it to you. The same thing is being done in your phone. It is basically recognizing patterns, recognizing what you do daily with your phone. And what does it mean for us? It can be good, it can be bad, it can be both ways right now. So, to be very honest, when you talk about someone, let's say if I tell you that, okay, I have access to your phone and I'm reading all your messages and what apps you use and everything, and then I am, categorizing them and giving you what app you should use at that time, you'll be creeped out, right? You will be creeped out. There's no two ways about it. But when a machine does it, you assume it has been coded in a certain way to, let's say, not see a few apps that you use, not read a few messages that you've sent. But is it actually happening, right? Today, privacy is a joke. Let's be honest about it. Privacy is a joke to a certain degree because anything and everything that you're using is recording you, right? Your fitness watch is taking your biometric data, right? Your smart weighing scales are recording your fat content and weight and everything, right? Now, even with BP, blood sugar levels, all of those things are also accessible by machines, right? Your phone is finding out which people do you contact the most, right? What apps do you use most frequently? What is close to you, right? If I say, okay, I've booked a flight, there's this feature on your phone when you've booked a flight ticket and you get a email on your Gmail account. That email is read by Gmail and is already added to your calendar that, okay, you have a flight on this date. Have I told you to find my flight? Have I told you to add it to my calendar? But it's happening, right? And to a certain degree, it's very scary because now your data is on the internet. And let's be honest, okay? It's online, right? Now, when I say it's online, yeah, it's guarded by your passwords and your passcodes. But do you think they can't be cracked? They can be, right? Someone somewhere is able to access your details. That's the truth. That's the end of it, right? But does that mean you should stop using technology? No. But you should start using these features in a limited manner with caution, right? Don't use apps that use voice recognition which you don't recognize. Like there are a lot of apps that offer you really cool assistants. Well, these assistants can record your voice and create voice samples. What difference does it make, right? What difference does your voice sample make? Do you know using voice samples and AI you can create deep fakes? You just need your image, voice samples, and that's it. AI does all the work. Today, AI can create such a deep fake video where I can be called a racist because someone created a deep fake video of me saying something really bad and really absurd. And this has happened to people. So whenever you're using apps, make sure you know what permissions you're giving. Make sure you know who the developer is, right? And always keep in mind to have a backup of your data, have everything stored in real time on a disk that is not connected to the internet, which is very important, right? Today, with everything going online, so are criminals, right? So you need to ensure that your data is safe. AI might not be a big reason for these things to go wrong, but can start doing that very soon, right? Have you seen Google's new feature that they're going to introduce in Google Assistants where the AI will book appointments for you, will talk on the phone for you? I got scared because of it. I will not kid you. I am not someone who does not like using technology or who is unnaturally afraid of technology. But if someone is making a call on my behalf, booking appointments, talking to my parents, it is scary, right? Because it is right till it's right. What if it goes wrong? So I'll leave you with this thought. Technology is moving forward for the betterment of man. But make sure you know what permissions you are giving to that technology moving forward. And make sure you download, install, and check out apps from verified sources. That's all for this video, guys. If you did like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't be afraid of AI, well, till it starts making a lot of fake appointments for you, right? And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.